back to my channel. As you can see, I have a couple boxes because I've been ordering some shoes. I'm excited. I got these all from Saks when they were having their sale, which I think is still on. It's like 70% off designer stuff, so you know, go ahead and get it how you live. Okay, please don't mind Taylor in the background. She is coloring and I needed to record, so this is what you get. Okay, babe, say hi.
Hey everybody.
All right, well, we about to do this unboxing. And let's open. Okay, y'all. I love this brand. Like, the heels are just comfortable, okay? Because this is really what's all in this box, okay? It's like 3 pairs. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yes, I love this brand. The heels are just so comfy. Bam, boom, pow. Okay. Like, look at this. Can you see the quality? You see it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my feet little too, but like, I'm in love. They have some like champagne color ones too. I gotta get those next. This looks so cute. Can you see? Let me get closer for you. Yes, detail, honey. Look at that. She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Baby, you like these? They're so cute. Ah! I'm excited. Okay. That's that on that. Y'all, Taylor be so mad at me because I really just be ordering stuff and don't be having nowhere to put it. Like, if you can see this corner over here that I'm not showing y'all, you will understand why I shouldn't buy anything else and bring it in this hell. Okay. What's this? Okay, for the girls that know, they just know because this blue box right here is everything, okay? And when I say that, it's because it's a Stuart Weitzman shoe. And the girls that get it, get it. This is a designer shoe, but it is very affordable. And I mean, they're really comfortable. Now, this time I did not get any, I didn't get any heels from them, actually. This is really bright. I'm gonna turn this down because you can't even see what I'm doing. You said what, baby? Ooh, I got some sandals. I know, this is def my type of shoe. Oh, I love a platform with my short ass. Yes, like, it's so soft. They do look kind of big, huh, babe? And I love a wraparound if y'all can't tell. But these are cute. Dang, this is a 5, babe. Oh, no. I think they're gonna be too big. I'm sad. Now I gotta try it on. Babe, what are you doing?
I'm finna get on the internet.
You sound like an old person. I'm finna get on the internet. Okay, I gotta try them on because they do look big. They look big. Oh, I could add an extra hole. That's about it. Y'all. Oh my gosh, can you see? Like, oh, it's on the stand. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, like, yes. These are cute. My feet so little. It'd be hard buying shoes. But yeah, I'm telling y'all, these shoes was like almost, I want to say like almost 300 regular price. It don't even tell me on the thing. I know they were for sure like at least $200, but got them on sale, baby. $89 from the sales. These are super cute. I'm in love with those. Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. It be movable. All right. I love stacks in their boxes. It made me feel real special. Like I'm really buying something. Like my money going to packaging. That's where it's going. All right, we back with another. Look at her. She's beautiful. Y'all, I can't seem to say my life. Are you getting the detail in this? Like, let me turn this down. It's clear, but lime green. Ugh. Like, I want you to be able to see this. What is wrong with the camera? Okay, bear with me here. There we go. You see it. Oh. She's beautiful. So beautiful. I'm loving her. Oh, this is great. So great. Okay. Baby, you like these? Cute. Y'all, Taylor be paying me absolutely no mind, okay? She just let me do what I do. When I do, how I do. Ain't that right, baby? Oh, I know. Another one. Another one, thank you. Oh. Okay, I'm a little upset at the packaging because all my shoes came like this. Like, what is all of this? These came straight from the store, and I'm knowing it. But of course, you do be getting your dust bags. Cause I like to put my shoes in clear containers in my closet. So I'm gonna get rid of these boxes and fill them up in this. But I had to run it back because who doesn't love a good nude shoe? Like, honey, let it get into it. Are we seeing this? Babe, are you wearing good? Oh, it sounds like it. I love these. And they're gonna look so good on my feet. Oh, like, do y'all wanna see how they look on my feet? Let's see. Let me see. I'm loving the wrap around. The only thing I don't really like is how when you have these plastic shoes, it takes a lot to get your feet in them because my little toes is chubby. But once we on, baby, we're on, okay? Let me see, let me see, let me see. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I should have got a 5.5. See, this is why my foot is so weird because I'm really like, I can fit so many different size shoes. It just does not make sense at this point. But bear with me, because my camera is on the stand. So I'm gonna give y'all a little rough preview here. Can you see it? Like, she's a beauty. Yes, I love it. So that means that the green shoe is gonna fit exactly the same way. I didn't really tie them all the way, but I'm loving these. Happy that I added these to my collection. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for listening to me ramble on and open my shoes for y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I appreciate you guys.